coordinator ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I am Chaitanya of class 10th.
And I'm Dharani of class 10. Today we stand erected to honor the hands that build our dreams, the strength that drives a nation, and the spirit that fuels our progress. Our workers, welcome to our Labour Day celebrations.
To begin the celebration are melodious, talented young girls who will present a beautiful welcome song. Please welcome them a big round of applause.
ಸಾವಿರ ಸಾವಿರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ನಾಡಿನ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿದ ನಿಮಗಿದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಹೇ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಕಣ್ಣಂಬಾಡಿಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿಸಿದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ದೇಶವ ಕಾಯುವ ಯೋಧರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೆದೆಯಾಳದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯುವ ಸರಿಯುವ ದೇವಿಗ ಯೋಗಿಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಲೋಕದ ಸಾಧಕರೇ ನಿಮಗಿದು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.
As on a joyride and imagination and creativity. Please welcome Darshan of 8 onto the stage.
Today I would like to talk and appreciate the important role that driver plays in our daily life. Whether transporting people or goods or services, driver is the backbone and connectivity in our world. They ensure our safety on roads and help in business run smoothly and make our travels convenient for all of us by public transports and delivery drivers.